Well, hello. This is a box opening for a set of Yoeleo C50 Pro carbon fiber wheels. I ordered these less than 2 weeks ago. Customized them for me instead of putting an alloy nipple. This set of wheels has a set of plated brass nipples. So we'll be excited to see that. I live in a fairly corrosive riding beachside type atmosphere, and that seems to kill the wheels pretty quickly, anything that will rust or corrode. So here we go. Box is very well packaged. Lots of foam. Okay. Very light. Got my decals. Titanium skewers, spare spokes, nipple extensions, and brake pads. That's just what they said they'd send. So that looks pretty nice. And that's all there is in the box. Let's check out the front wheel. Just the way I ordered it, a matte black with no decals. This is the Pro version with the straight pull DT Swiss 350 hubs. Wow, incredible attention on those spokes. I work in a bike shop, so I'm going to measure the tension on them with a tension gauge. So that's the front wheel, and I can't wait to put some tires on that. Here's the rear. Here's a tag with the UCI approval, and then the features of the wheel. These wheels are have some technology in them with minimal holes. The only hole you're going to see on the inside is for the tube stem, and makes it harder to build. You can imagine getting the nipples through that one hole and then around to here for the spoke, but it also adds strength to it. So again, it's a DT Swiss 350 hub, straight pull spokes. I wanted the best wheel they had in a 50. So there it is. Thanks for watching.